Today we're making pasta salad. So let's get started. So for our pasta salad, we're going to need the following ingredients: pasta, elbow macaronis, bell peppers, red and green, cucumbers, celery, some black olives, some imitation crab meat, some mayo, sour cream, buttermilk, dried dill, dried parsley, dried chives, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do for our pasta salad is get our dressing ready. And I'm doing a ranch dressing. So we're going to mix in half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo, and half a cup of buttermilk. If you want, you can also use a store-bought dressing for this. So we're going to get that together and give that a good whisk. And once that's thoroughly combined, we're going to add in our seasoning, which is going to be half a teaspoon of dried parsley, about 3/4 teaspoon of dill, half a teaspoon of chives, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. So we're going to mix that in. And then we're going to give that a good whisk so it's all mixed up. Then you're going to add in anywhere from 1 to 3 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So we're going to start with 1. Add that in. Give that a good whisk. And give that a quick taste. That's perfect, just where it's at, with the 1 teaspoon of lemon. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to wrap it in plastic and set it in the ice box for about 30 minutes to an hour while we're getting the other items ready for the salad. So be back shortly. Alright, so we're going to start chopping up everything that goes in our salad. We've already drained our can of black olives and we're going to set those to the side. You're going to use half of a red bell pepper, and then we're going to dice that up. There we go. And always be careful, because we don't want to lose any fingers while doing this part. And I'm going to set these to the side. Then we're going to chop up anywhere from a half to a whole bell pepper. It's going to depend on the size. This is going to end up being a whole bell pepper because it was relatively small. And we're going to dice it up. And you can pretty much put any vegetables you like in here. If you want, you can add onions. I've also seen it made with cheese, some cheese added to it as well. Then we're gonna dice up anywhere from one to 2 or 3 celery stalks. And celery, I find, tends to be a rather strong vegetable, so I don't tend to put a lot of it in my pasta salad. Today I'm just gonna end up doing 2 of them. Alright, so we're going to move this away and set this to the side. And the next thing I like to add to mine is the imitation crab meat. So I've got a package of that. And we're going to use, depending on how much you like, anywhere from a half to the whole package. And we're just going to slice this up thin. And I tend to like a lot of crab meat or imitation crab meat in mine, so I'm going to use the whole package. And as always, being we're using a fish, we do want to make sure and wash our hands after we're done with this part. Alright, so we get this put in our bowl. Some of them trying to get away. Alright, so next thing we need to do is start boiling our pasta. So we'll get that going and we'll be right back. So see you shortly. Alright, so we've got us a large pot filled with water and we're going to heat this on high till it comes to a rolling boil. And we're going to add a good 2 pinches of salt to this. I'm using kosher salt. I can't talk this morning. So what we'll do is once this comes up to a rolling boil, we'll add our pasta. So be back shortly. So our water's in a nice rolling boil. So we're going to add our 1 pound bag of pasta. And we're going to cook that for about 10 to 15 minutes till done. And then once we're at that point, we'll be right back. So see you shortly. Alright, our pasta has been going about 10-15 minutes, and as you can see, it's all nice and done. So I'm going to get this strained out and rinsed off to cool the pasta down so we can start putting our pasta salad together. So we'll be back shortly. Alright, so our pasta has been rinsed and cooled. So the first thing we're going to do is add our ranch dressing to this. And it tastes so much better after it's had time to sit. And making this dish brings back memories for me growing up, back when Wendy's had a salad bar. And I always got the pasta salad that was on it. So we got that right there. We're going to give this a quick stir. Make sure we get all of the elbow macaroni covered. And we're going to add in our imitation crab meat. give that another quick stir. Add in our black olives. And I forgot to mention that we're also adding half a cucumber which has been diced up. Alright, then we're going to add in our celery and bell pepper. Need to make sure everything gets mixed really well. And this is perfect for any meal. It goes well with beef, chicken, or pork. It's a great summer dish. You can also serve it with barbecue. So, all right, we've got everything mixed together. And let me get a spoon and we'll give this a quick taste test. A little bit of everything. Perfect. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.